No, it's okay. It's okay. Where's the box?
Where's the box? Where's the box? Hold on. I know where it is. Where's the box? It's okay. There you go. Alright. Man. You're okay, Geiger. You're okay. Deep breath. Deep breath.
You totally saved the day.
That was great. Get the tape. I just want to tape up the flap so that he doesn't, so that I don't have any surprises. Yeah. Give me the French fries. Give him my French fries. You want a picture of him? Did you get a picture of him running down the street?
I think so. Let me just double check.